Hey, Happy Hen here, and I'm going to make crispy cheddar chicken tonight. This recipe comes from Jamie Cooks It Up at Blogspot. That's Jamie, Jamie Cooks It Up, and this is crispy cheddar chicken, but I, of course, am going to use my go-to cheese. I'm going to use my Mexican cheddar blend. What you want to do is you want to cut your chicken breast up into big chunks. I cut each breast into 3 pieces. Calls for half a cup of milk, 3 cups of cheese, and of course, you know, this is all going to depend on how you do everything because they got to put numbers in a recipe. You can't just say use cheese. And then it calls for 2 sleeves of Ritz crackers. I'm going to try with 1 and see if I can get away with that because I love Ritz crackers, but they're not free. And you add a little bit of salt and pepper to your Ritz crackers and you mix that up. And then once you, and what's interesting about this recipe is that you put the cheese on and then the cracker crumbs. So we're going to go ahead and, I've already done one, we're going to go ahead and do another one. In the meantime, you put your cheese on first, and then your cracker crumbs. Then we're going to put it on our already sprayed 9 by 13 inch pan, or I guess that's not 9 by 13, that's bigger than that, but spray it with cooking spray first. You're going to cook that in a 400-degree oven. You're going to put tin foil on top of it for 35 minutes, and then the last 10 minutes you're going to take your tin foil off. So when we come back, this will be in the oven, and I'll go ahead and show you the sauce that we're going to put on top of that. And, I forgot, right before it goes in the oven, you're going to sprinkle just a little bit of dried parsley flakes on your chicken. So we'll be right back. So here's our sauce. It's a complicated sauce recipe, so hold on tight. Here we go. Can of cream of chicken, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of butter. So you're going to whisk that together, and you're going to go ahead, and once that's heated all the way through, you're going to pour this, a little bit of it, over your chicken. Here's one of my small chunks of chicken. I've already gotten it out of the oven. I forgot to mention that when you do your Ritz crackers, I did them in a small food processor, so you know you can always put them in a bag, as a block bag, and squish them together. So let's see how the crispy cheddar chicken tastes. It's very hot, so I'm going to go ahead and burn my mouth. It's good. It's good. It's got a very familiar taste with the cream of chicken on the chicken. The breadcrumbs and cheese are very good. I like it's got the cheese actually got a little bit crispy on the outside, so it's good. It's actually very good. So, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I want to thank again Jamie Cooks It Up at Blogspot, and I hope to see you again soon.